She's no ordinary woman. It's the story of a bus driver who goes beyond the norm for her passengers to bring them each a ray of hope. TVJ's Kian Morgan explains.
Even though it's a bus with a difference.
And for the passengers of this bus, prayer time number 1, Camille Borg is more than a driver. Auntie Camille, as she's known to her passengers, is a school bus driver in Spanish Town and Portmore in St. Catherine. It's her profession for the last 14 years. And for her, it's more than a passion.
I really love my job. I remember a couple of years ago, I decided that I want to come out of it. And I wake up in December and I was just crying. And my husband said, "Why are you crying?" I said, "Because I'm going to miss my children." But the Lord says, "It's not time for you to come out of it. You're here to groom my children. You're here to direct them."
The blood of Jesus.
On the bus, prayer is a ritual each morning and evening. Some of the students are given roles as monitors to keep the bus quiet, and they also help to lead worship sessions. Auntie Camille says this is her calling, and the students are like family.
They're like medicine. Sometimes they pray for me. I remember I got a cut right here, and that night I slept at the hospital. And when I came on the road the morning, they just prayed for me. They strengthened me. So I pulled from them and they pulled from me.
It is why she went out of her way to put on a beauty pageant to show her love and appreciation.
I'll be awarding Parents of the Year, Single Fathers of the Year, because you have some fathers who they have to bathe their daughter, comb their hair, single mothers without a father, and so we're going to crown them tonight. We're also going to award children.
Parents admit that the service has taught their children good values and principles.
You know you don't run her from good, right? And she have been awesome. She take the kids them under her wings like it's her own. She becomes so emotional with them, the bond and the love that she have for them. You can't turn her from that.
Parent didn't have it, and the children needed something, and she went out of the way, and I felt moved by that.
Some of the students have been traveling with Auntie Camille for up to 8 years.
You have taught me so much great things to turn me to the girl that I am, and now to this day I thank you.
I feel proud because she's like one of my mothers.
She teaches me that if I'm in a situation, I must not be afraid to go on my knees and pray to God.
Sometimes they hug me, sometimes they send a little note, "Auntie Camille, I love you, I appreciate you," and it just makes me happy.
Would I really want other people, other bus drivers, to really be like, oh, she is.
With a ray of hope, I'm Kian Morgan.